What is going on, YouTube? Want to do a quick video here about my new helmet, or my soon-to-be new helmet. Haven't even worn it yet, but just want to go through some of the things that I was thinking about when looking for a new helmet. So stay tuned. So the helmet that I have right now is a Shoei Neotech. It's the Neotech 1. I do like this helmet. It's the modular one. It kind of, the whole thing comes up and down. It's super comfortable. It fits really well. It's got the neon colorway, matches my gloves, whatever. I chose it a long time ago, and I've probably had it for about 10 years now. But I was recently shopping for a new helmet. I needed an upgrade badly. So I was, you know, there's so many companies out there making helmets right now. And I started looking into, you know, the big popular one is AGV. Everyone loves AGV. They look good. They do look pretty aggressive, and I get it, you know, to each their own. I started doing some research, and from what I found, you know, AGV, Ruroc, a lot of these, you know, smaller brands, all their helmets are made in the same factories. It's essentially the same helmet. I'm not the biggest fan of the whole carbon fiber thing. They tend not to give as much, so on smaller crashes and smaller impacts, they might actually do more damage than not. But a lot of these, you know, AGV, Ruroc, like I said, they're made in the same factories, and to me, you know, that didn't sit right with me. Shoei, Arai, those are, to me, in my head, the top two. Arai's, they got a look that a lot of people don't like. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I really did like the Shoeis, and I was, you know, trying to decide which one to get. I was open to trying something new, but you know, some research made me realize that Shoei really is, you know, the brand I'd like to stick with. They make their helmets in their own factory, and they've been around for such a long time. MotoGP riders wear Shoeis, they wear Arai's, you know, so to me that was just kind of my selling point. Then I had to decide if I wanted the RF 1400 or the X15. Those were kind of the two I was in between. The Neotech is I mean, I loved this helmet, but it is a little front heavy, especially with the GoPro on it. So I figured it was time to, you know, try something new, get something a little more aggressive in styling as well. And I went into cycle gear. I tried both helmets, the X15 and the RF 1400, and the RF 1400 just didn't fit right for me. I mean, it's a great helmet, it's a great bang for your buck, but I mean, I don't buy many helmets. Obviously it's been almost 10 years, maybe more, since I've gotten my last one, so I figured, you know, I'm gonna buy something, I'm gonna have it for a while, why not get exactly what I want? And I went ahead and went with the X15, and I'm super happy with it. It looks great. I'm gonna do a video here in a little bit showing a little unboxing and some more info on it, and putting it together and making it how I want it. I'm not gonna say what colorway I went with. I will let you guys wait for the unboxing video, but I'm super excited about it, and I'm super happy with finally getting an upgrade. I can't wait to wear it. I'll probably take it out today. It doesn't have my mic set up, my GoPro set up, my intercom. It doesn't have anything set up, so I just wanted to get out. It's a beautiful day, get some footage, but I'm actually heading home right now, and I'm gonna pick up the new helmet and get out there with my new helmet and some new gear, and I'm excited for the new season. Let me know what kind of helmet you guys got. Let me know if you guys like AGV, if you like Arai, and what your reasoning is in the comment section below. I'm really curious to see how other people feel out there. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And stay safe out there, guys and gals. Take it easy.